Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Coinbase to another wallet. Sending crypto to another wallet? Don't worry, in today's video I'll show you exactly how to do it safely in 2026. Just follow these few simple steps. But before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you'd like to join this platform, you're gonna have to go to your website, to the website coinbase.com, and make sure to sign in there. Once you click on the website, you're gonna click on sign in or sign up. Alternatively, you can download the mobile app of Coinbase via the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using, and you can do the same there. You can either sign in with your existing account, or if you don't have an account already, you can click on sign up and create an account. Now, once you create an account, you're gonna make sure to log into that account. Then you're gonna tap send and receive button. Make sure while you're in the account's dashboard, you're gonna tap on the send and receive button. And once you do that, you're gonna select the send option. You're gonna make sure to click on the send option. And after that, as you can see here from your dashboard, you're gonna send the crypto and you're gonna click on assets. Now pass the recipient's wallet address carefully and double check every character. Crypto transactions cannot be reversed. Make sure you send it to the correct person. Now after you do this, you're gonna type the amount of crypto you want to send. And after, you're gonna check the network fees displayed before confirming. Once you check the network fees, you're gonna preview and send. You're gonna tap on the preview and send button, then confirm the details and complete any security verifications. And make sure to always send a small test amount first when sending to a new wallet. So you figure out that the wallet that receives the amount is correct. And that's how you send crypto from Coinbase to another wallet safely. And if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.